Just gonna get right into it. We just walked back to the exposition center where they have dinosaurs, and we're kicking off our morning at the New York State Fair with these Dilophosauruses that are, oh my, he's terrifying. It looks like it spits. It's got like oh, it sprays water. Oh, weird. That explains the big puddle here. Okay, so we're going in and we're gonna go see some more dinosaurs. Wow, look at all the dinosaurs.
These are the plant eaters?
Oh, these are, you can play Connect 4 here?
Yeah.
Is that what this is?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Start your day with a friendly game of Connect 4.
Yeah. But of course, we're going over to this area. Welcome to Dinosaur Expedition. Wow, look at this. Look at that. It's as tall as the ceiling. No, not really. Maybe half the height of the ceiling. Wow. It's friendly. It's like salad fingers. Salad fingers. Good job. Why do we have to come here if you're just going to do that anyway? I like rusty spoons. Yeah, look at this guy. He's like celebrating. What's he celebrating? Oh. Oh no. Oh my goodness.
He's so pretty. He looks like a Pokemon.
There's some signing that we need to pay attention to here. There's a lot of swinging tails. This one's at head level. Oh my goodness. Yeah, watch out. Or this Triceratops will take you out. It's swinging the tree too. Getting those leaves. You want leaves? Nom 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 nom. Oh yeah. He's dressed up like Tigger. I think he bounces around. Oh, look at this, just like in the movie. Is this the actual one they used in the movie? Oh my. We have a T-Rex over here, chomping away, taller than the trees. Pretty large. Wow. Oh, these are really interesting to see up close because they're just so big, and it's amazing they all move and do different things. You can get a lot of neat pictures here. Oh, say cheese.
Rock Band is back. They're so famous.
I don't really like them though.
Why?
They only play oldies. I think we're going to go over to the garden. They have an actual garden here that they've grown right at the fair all season. And so it's the voice of the farmer garden at the New York State Fair. And they have a little tour that you can take with QR codes on your phone. Some apple trees here. Yeah, we were just talking to the gentleman over there, and he said that last year they started this in July, and they said, oh, can you make this good for the fair? But this year they actually started the garden in April, so have a little more time to grow things. Yeah. Look at that.
Basil.
Some basil there? Oh, my cabbages.
My cabbages!
Look at that.
Those are gorgeous.
And some corn here growing. Oh, it looks like there's a sign on the other side of this. Yeah, corn and soybeans. Soybeans are another top agricultural crop in New York. They're grown in rotation with corn and small grains. And look at these peppers. All the bees are around. They're busy. Busy as a bee. Look at that. And what's cool is they actually donate the product from this garden to shelters. Fava beans. Got some Hubbard squash over here. Look at the size of those.
They're growing all the way over.
Wow.
Look at, there's one growing from the front.
Yeah, you can't control squash, as we've learned.
Yeah.
It took over our whole patio one year. It's amazing, and if you have any questions, they're here from Cornell to answer questions. So Dinosaurs to Master Gardener's garden. Just realized we didn't do an intro or anything, so hello again, or hello for the first time. We're at the New York State Fair today, and just having a fun time seeing what we want to see. What dinosaur did you like? I know you were like going crazy. You love animatronic.
I love animatronics so much. So this is why I dragged you here first, because I wanted to make sure we got to see it before it got too crowded. But yeah, I can't pick a favorite. Although I did like the one with like the giant nails that was like, you know, rawr, that sounded like the Incredible Hulk from Universal. I did love him. He might have a special place in my heart.
A lot of times when people think of New York, they don't think agriculture, which they should, because we're like a huge agricultural state. And they have a goat show going on right now. Maybe we can take a peek at some of these beautiful goats.
Thank you.
From goats, we're going to get donuts, but there's no Segway, so here's some hot tubs, which is, man, $7,000. You want a hot tub? A sauna?
Absolutely.
Oh, they have one of those big pools here too. Wow. Yeah.
Is that a hot tub?
There's another hot tub tent, and they have deals starting at $2,000. Do they have a pricing war on hot tubs at the State Fair? What's the deal with that? How big is a $2,000 hot tub? Is it a tub where you just run the hot water?
One of my favorite things about last year is that we got to try finally these Piggies donuts and pretzels. I never really knew if it was worth standing in this obnoxious line, but we decided to just wait last year and give it a shot. And as it turns out, it's totally worth standing in line. They are incredible.
We got the pretzel.
Yeah, the donuts are also really good, but I really was in the mood for a pretzel. So like,
Did you almost drop it?
I froze it. It's so soft. Oh no. It's my pretzel.
So that's it right there? That's it? That does not look impressive at all. What happened?
It's so good though because it's so soft.
Oh yeah? Horrible?
It's so good.
It tastes better than it looks right now.
It tastes incredible.
I wouldn't even know where to...
Yeah, it's like ridiculously nice.
It's good. It's doughy, kind of like a plain Auntie Anne's pretzel, but it's big. And how much was this?
$8.
Oh, $8. Okay.
I feel like it's more buttery.
It's a good deal for the fair, I think. I'd recommend getting the bag. The fair wouldn't be the fair without animals, apparently dinosaurs, food, and the rides here. It's interesting to see all the rides here. They have 2 roller coasters here this year. One of the roller coasters here this year is the Mighty Mouse, and that's a spinning wild mouse coaster, and the other one is this Super Cyclone, which looks like Galaxy. We love riding Galaxy at Sylvan Beach Amusement Park, and this looks like Galaxy on steroids, pretty much. And we're here on a Sunday today, and it's still pretty early, so no crowds, really. Look at that Ferris wheel. Wow. I must ask you a question. Would you go on this with me today?
Right after we ate that pretzel?
So that's a no.
Maybe later.
Here's one of these fun houses, and this one is mining themed. They're obviously mining for candy. That's weird. Is this the same ride?
Maybe they're turning the gems into candy. The candy is made out of gems.
Oh.
It's a real jawbreaker.
Of course, you can't have a Midway without having Nightmare Manor. Look at that. Oh, that's so terrifying. It's the most terrifying of all. They have a cartoony Frankenstein monster that you can you can take your picture in it.
Oh, very nice.
They even have some classic ones here, like Starship. I haven't seen these that frequently since like the 1980s, early 90s. We built this city. The one thing I've noticed here as we've been walking through, you can get your airbrush t-shirts right here. There's been a number of stands. Anything you want, they'll just airbrush it, I guess. And we've walked the entire Midway, and we're back here by Suburban Park, where tonight Dropkick Murphys are playing, and they have a really nice kids section out here for the Midway. It's kind of nice because it's like out secluded past the second big Ferris wheel. They have so much stuff here. It's amazing. They even have a dragon coaster. So I wish they had those kid rides back when we were kids. Like, yeah. That's a lot. It's tough. What do you want to do next?
Do you want to go see some chicks?
Some chicks?
Some really cute chicks.
Well, all right. They're in this building?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh my god, honey, look at how cute.
Fuzzy. So that was not necessarily what I thought.
Toyota cars.
We're going to go see the Hollywood Racing Pigs. No photography allowed, we just learned. But do you have a $20 bill? I'm going to put big money on number 5.
I'm going to bet.
Alright.
Bet on number 5, you think?
Yeah, so you can't put money on the Hollywood Racing Pigs, and the race is just starting. They're hyping up the crowd, and there's a big crowd here. It's kind of amazing. I have a first reaction from an attendee of the pig racing. First time you've been looking forward to this for a while, right?
I've never gone, and I think that's fine.
If you like pigs, then waiting 15 minutes beforehand, is that a good idea?
Yeah, but if you like pigs, you're going to be kind of sad that they're just like running around in a circle with a blanket on them.
Both ways at the same time with the other hands.
Woo!
Yeah, come on guys, come on, that's tough, that's tough, that's tough. Here's my favourite trick coming up right now, my favourite trick.
Oh my god.
This one is incredibly dangerous. And when I say it's incredibly dangerous, it wasn't dangerous for me. All 3 up in the air, you ready for this? All 3 up in the air, up, up, up. Did you see I clapped? Yeah. I've got one for the kids, I'm not sure if this is going to work.
Whoa.
I haven't done it yet, here it comes. I'm a unicorn! I poop rainbows.
The captain was the sailing man, respected in his time. He'd made the journey twice before and almost lost his life. The hardest part was choosing who was sailing, who would climb. The stranded with the hunger of 1849. Left behind the lands that been together 1,000 years. The music and the memories are ringing in the ears. We brought with them tradition and the will to win the time. For the land of the freedom, the soil and the sky. Yes, indeed.
Said online that they have an authentic 1800s cabin, like a log cabin, and that's the third thing that I want to make sure that I do today.
Alright. Well, let's go see a cabin, wherever it is. It's in this building.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's in the Agricultural Museum. I just kind of want to see it. I think it sounds cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so are these actual antiques then? Because it says the painted chest is dated 1813 and probably came from Schoharie County.
Yeah, so they're like real things.
Wow, that's so cool.
Spinning wheel. Wow, look at that. An 1876 log cabin. Schoharie County.
Wait, so this is a real log cabin that they brought here?
They moved here. Is that an actual picture of it?
Yeah.
Wow. It's something else, isn't it? Wow. Those buses keep coming in. That was a fun time at the fair today. We only spent a half a day because we pretty much got there when they opened, and then we did everything that was on your list.
Yeah. Tonight the concert is Dropkick Murphys. I would love to see Dropkick, but they don't go until 8. And I can't do it. I'm so tired.
Yeah, that's a little rough on a Sunday night after a long weekend. But good time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a blast here at the State Fair. We'll be back to do a couple more hopefully this year, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.